To highlight the month, crews began raising the roof cables, marking another major milestone in the completion of the building. It might be harder to see from the outside, but the inside of the building is continuing to make progress. Crews have completed 1,859 of the total 3,102 aisle steps throughout the stadium, and 97% of concrete work is completed. All 44 escalators are fully set in place, and 27 have been successfully tested with their glass handrails installed. Framing and drywall reached 80% completion in April as the attention is starting to turn to detail. Ceramic tile installation along the walls and flooring is over halfway complete, setting the stage for plumbing fixture installation. Wall molding is also going up as ceiling installation continues. The ETFE roofing system is officially 65% complete with 108 strand jacks in place and actively lifting the top cable net grid into place. The next step is for crews to install vertical posts around the perimeter of the roof, creating a support system that will eventually allow for the building to be enclosed. While the main roofing system is being installed over the stadium,